Narrator. Where are you from? What is your home country like? Our country, our homeland, is a big part of who we are, filled with unique places, foods, and traditions. Being able to talk about your country in English is a fantastic way to introduce yourself, share your culture, and learn about the world around you. It allows you to express pride in your heritage and helps others understand your background. That's why today in the English Learning Podcast's beginner series, we're diving deep into talking about your country. You'll learn essential vocabulary for discussing geography, climate, food, and cultural aspects of a nation. Mastering these simple yet crucial phrases will significantly boost your conversational ability in daily life. In this extensive episode, you're about to hear a natural and easy-to-follow conversation between two friends, Sam and Clara. They'll share interesting facts about their countries, discussing what makes them special and what they love most. They'll use clear, simple English with repetition, making it easy for you to understand and start talking about your own country confidently. After their discussion, we'll have a short, interactive practice session to help you actively use these new words and phrases yourself. Listen closely to their simple English and the helpful vocabulary they use. Get ready to expand your English skills and share your part of the world. Sam, hi Clara. How are you today? I was just looking at a world map and it made me think about all the different countries. Where are you from, Clara? Can you tell me a little bit about your country? Clara, hi Sam. I'm doing well, thank you. A world map is very interesting. Yes, I'm from Canada. It's a very large country in North America. We have many beautiful landscapes. What about you, Sam? Where are you from? Sam, that's great, Clara. Canada is famous for its natural beauty. I know it's a very big country. I am from India. It is a very large country in South Asia. India is also very big and it has many different types of places. What is the capital city of Canada, Clara? Clara, India is a fascinating country, Sam. I know it's famous for its diverse culture. The capital city of Canada is Ottawa. It's in the eastern part of the country. It's a beautiful city with many government buildings and museums. What is the capital city of India, Sam? Sam, yes, India has a very diverse culture, Clara. And Ottawa sounds like a beautiful capital. The capital city of India is New Delhi. It's a very big and old city in the northern part of India. It has many historical monuments and modern buildings. What kind of geography does Canada have, Clara? Are there mountains, beaches, or forests? Clara, New Delhi sounds like a city with a rich history and a modern side, Sam. That's interesting. Canada has very diverse geography. We have huge mountains in the west like the Rocky Mountains. We also have many vast forests and countless lakes. And we have long coastlines on 3 oceans. So it's very varied. What kind of geography does India have, Sam? Sam, Canada's diverse geography with mountains, forests, lakes, and coastlines sounds incredibly beautiful, Clara. India also has very diverse geography. In the north we have the huge Himalayan mountains. We also have big rivers like the Ganges River. There are large deserts in the west and beautiful beaches in the south. We also have fertile plains. So it's very different in different parts. What is the climate like in Canada, Clara? Is it often cold? Clara, India's geography with the Himalayas, big rivers, deserts, and beaches sounds truly amazing, Sam. It's incredible how varied your country is. The climate in Canada varies a lot, but yes, it can be very cold. In winter, many parts have a lot of snow and very low temperatures. Summers are warm and pleasant, especially in the south. So we have 4 distinct seasons. What is the climate like in India, Sam? Sam, Canada's distinct 4 seasons and very cold winters sound like a real experience, Clara. The climate in India also varies a lot, but it is generally warm. We have hot summers, especially from April to June. We also have a monsoon season from July to September with a lot of rain. Winters are mild and pleasant in most parts, but cold in the mountains. What kind of food is famous in Canada, Clara? Clara, India's warm climate, hot summers, and monsoon season with mild winters sound quite different from Canada, Sam. That's interesting. Canadian food might not be as famous as some other countries, but we have some unique things. Poutine is very popular. It's French fries with cheese curds and gravy. We also have maple syrup, which comes from maple trees and it's delicious on pancakes. What kind of food is famous in India, Sam? Sam, poutine and maple syrup sound delicious and uniquely Canadian, Clara. I'd love to try them. India is very famous for its diverse food. We have many types of curries, which are dishes with various spices and vegetables or meat. We also have different types of bread like naan and roti. Biryani is a very popular rice dish. Indian food is known for its many spices and rich flavors. What is a special tradition or cultural aspect of Canada, Clara? Clara, Indian curries, various breads like naan and roti and biryani all sound incredibly delicious and flavorful, Sam. India's food is definitely famous. A special cultural aspect of Canada is our politeness. Canadians are often known for being very polite and saying sorry a lot. We also have a strong connection to nature and outdoor activities like hiking and ice hockey. What is a special tradition or cultural aspect of India, Sam? Sam, Canadian politeness and strong connection to nature are lovely cultural aspects, Clara. It's nice to hear about. A special tradition in India is our many festivals. We have many colorful and important festivals throughout the year, like Diwali, the festival of lights, and Holi, the festival of colors. These festivals involve special foods, decorations, and gatherings with family and friends. What do you like most about Canada, Clara? Clara, India's many colorful festivals like Diwali and Holi sound absolutely vibrant and full of joy, Sam. That's a beautiful tradition. What I like most about Canada is its beautiful nature and the friendly people. I love being able to go hiking in the mountains or swimming in the lakes. And Canadians are generally very welcoming and kind. What do you like most about India, Sam? Sam, Canada's beautiful nature and friendly people are wonderful things to like most about your country, Clara. Being close to nature is special. What I like most about India is its rich history and diverse culture. There are so many different languages, traditions, and art forms. I also love the delicious food from all the different regions. And the warm hospitality of the people. There's always something new to discover. What language do people speak in Canada, Clara? Clara, India's rich history, diverse culture, delicious food, and warm hospitality sound like truly captivating aspects, Sam. It's wonderful that there's so much to discover. In Canada, we have two official languages, English and French. Most people speak English, but French is also widely spoken, especially in the province of Quebec. So many Canadians learn both. What language do people speak in India, Sam? Sam, Canada having two official languages, English and French, is very interesting, Clara. It's great that many people learn both. In India, people speak many different languages. The official languages are Hindi and English. But there are also more than 20 other major official languages, like Bengali, Marathi, Tamil, and Punjabi. Each region often has its own language. So it's very common for people to speak 2 or 3 languages. Do you have a national animal or symbol in Canada, Clara? Clara, India having Hindi and English as official languages, plus over 20 other major languages, is truly remarkable, Sam. Speaking multiple languages must be very common. Yes, we do have a national animal and symbol in Canada. Our national animal is the beaver. It's a small animal that builds dams and rivers. Our national symbol is the maple leaf, which is on our flag and currency. Do you have a national animal or symbol in India, Sam? Sam, the beaver as a national animal and the maple leaf as a national symbol are very fitting for Canada, Clara. Beavers are clever builders. Yes, we have a national animal and a national symbol in India too. Our national animal is the tiger. It's a very powerful and beautiful big cat. Our national bird is the peacock, which is a colorful bird with a big tail. And our national flower is the lotus, which is a beautiful water flower. Do you think it's important to know about different countries, Clara? Clara, the tiger as a national animal, the peacock as a national bird, and the lotus as a national flower are very symbolic choices for India, Sam. They sound beautiful. Yes, I absolutely think it's important to know about different countries. It helps us understand the world better, appreciate different cultures, and connect with people from various backgrounds. It broadens our minds and makes us more open. Do you think it's important to know about different countries, Sam? Sam, Knowing about different countries definitely helps us understand the world and appreciate cultures, Clara. It broadens our minds. Yes, I also strongly believe it's important to know about different countries. It teaches us tolerance, empathy, and respect for others. It shows us that there are many ways of life and many different perspectives. It makes the world feel smaller and more connected. What is one thing you would like to visit or do in Canada if you were a tourist, Clara? Clara. Knowing about different countries fostering tolerance, empathy, and respect is truly vital, Sam. It makes the world feel more connected. If I were a tourist visiting Canada, one thing I would definitely want to do is visit the Rocky Mountains. I would want to go hiking and see the beautiful lakes like Lake Louise. The scenery there is breathtaking and it's a very famous natural wonder. What is one thing you would like to visit or do in India if you were a tourist, Sam? Sam. Visiting the Rocky Mountains and seeing lakes like Lake Louise sounds like an unforgettable experience in Canada, Clara. The scenery there is indeed breathtaking. If I were a tourist visiting India, one thing I would absolutely want to do is visit the Taj Mahal. It's a very famous and beautiful monument in Agra. It's a symbol of love and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. I would also want to try street food in different cities. This has been a great chat about our countries. I've really enjoyed hearing about Canada. Clara, yes it has been, Sam. I've really enjoyed hearing about India, the Himalayas, the festivals, and of course the delicious food. The Taj Mahal is truly a must-see. It's wonderful to share about our homes. Sam, it definitely is, Clara. It makes me feel proud of my country and interested in yours. Well, it was really nice talking to you about our countries. I should probably go prepare dinner now. Clara, of course, Sam. I understand completely. I hope your dinner is delicious. It was really nice catching up with you and learning so much about India. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Sam, you too, Clara. Maybe we can visit each other's countries someday. See you around soon. Clara, see you, Sam. Practice session. Your turn to speak. Narrator. All right, it's your turn to practice. I'll ask you a question about countries. Listen to my question, then say your answer aloud. Try to use the new phrases you heard today. Where are you from? Say your country's name now. Good. Now, what is the capital city of your country? Excellent. One more. What is one famous food from your country? Narrator. Fantastic work. Now just quickly repeat these 3 important phrases after me. I am from your country. Who the capital is. Capital city. We have delicious. Food name. Narrator. You're doing great. Keep practicing talking about your country in English. Conclusion. Narrator. Wow, you've done an incredible job today. You just practiced a very personal and engaging topic. Talking about your country in English. You can now confidently share basic information about your home, including its capital, geography, climate, food, and culture. This is a tremendous step in your English journey. Remember to use these new phrases every day. The next time someone asks you about your country or you want to ask someone else about theirs, try to use these expressions in English. Every time you practice, you're building real confidence step by wonderful step. Keep learning, keep speaking. Don't miss our next lesson in the beginner series. Goodbye for now.